Hey guys, Ron Bond, Bondo Bill Construction, coming at you from the split level house. Doing a little sheetrock work today. I figured show you a little trick that I learned quite a few years ago. A friend showed me. I call it the bucket trick, just where you run your tape through a bucket, 5-gallon bucket of mud, and pre-coat your tape so that when you're taping your seams, it's a lot easier. I'll show you how I do it. Just take a 5-gallon bucket with a skill saw, make a couple cuts in it, and you can set yourself up a nice little taping machine. It's pretty fast and works really good. Like I said, I've been doing it for years. Easy stuff, guys. Just a simple 5-gallon bucket with some little holes cut in it, about an inch off the bottom. Put a couple slits like this with your skill saw. Just one there, and one right on the other side, lined right up with the two. So you got one over here and one over here, straight in line with each other. So then you can just pull the tape right through this one, and it'll come right out the other side of that one. Just a 5-gallon bucket. Actually, that's just a 3-gallon bucket. You want your mud about the consistency of pancake batter when you're taping. You don't want it too thick. You want it pretty wet. Mix it up with your paddle or whatever you want to use. I like to use a drill with a paddle and just mix that mud up. I like to use this green top for taping. This mud right here has a lot of glue in it, so it works really good for taping. The tape sticks really good. You don't get any bubbles or nothing. So like I said, mix it up. Take your paddle, mix it up, or take a broom handle or something and put some water in it. Mix it right up till it's about like pancake batter, and then you can make this bucket up for taping. So here Gary's pulling the tape out of the bucket. As you can see, it's pre-coating the mud, it's pre-coating the tape real good. We just stuck this roll of tape up on the sheetrock lift, but you can, anything that holds the tape, right there is the sheetrock lift with the tape. Sometimes you can use a ladder with a broomstick or something, just need something to hold the tape while you pull it. So Gary's sticking the tape on the wall here, and it's real muddy. The hole is a little bit too big, the slice that we made in the bucket. These ones have already been pressed out all the way down through. This one's not pressed out, so he just stuck that on there waiting to press it out. And over here he's sticking the tape on the wall. And then when you get to the end of the wall, you just take your knife right here, hold it, and give it a little tear. Boom. He takes a piece over and he's going to stick it on that small section over here. Right there. And now he's going to press out. You want to press all the mud out of the tape. And this is really, like I said, it's pretty juicy mud. It's like pancake batter pretty much. Want it real wet, mix it up good. Green top mud, all-purpose mud. Got a lot of glue in it. He's going to scrape this off. He's just using his hand to catch it. Normally you wouldn't have this much mud. Like I said, I made that bucket up. The slice I made in it was a little bit too wide on the one side, so we ended up flipping the bucket around and it worked a lot better. He's just pressing out the mud, throwing the mud into the bucket so it can be reused. And you just want to get all the mud out from under and all the air bubbles and everything out of it, and make sure. See, he's got a little wrinkle. Just pull it tight. Yep, scrape it right off. He's going to pull his mud or his tape tight here. It's pretty simple. You do it like this, you're not going to get any bubbles. You're not going to have any wrinkles or anything in the tape. It's going to work out real good. And that tape is saturated with mud because that mud's wet. So it's going to dry pretty fast because there's not a lot of mud there, and you're not going to have any issues with it. So this is just showing the consistency of the mud. Like I said, it's like pancake batter. We loosened it up quite a bit. And there it is. The bucket trick. Works great, guys. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I try to help out the DIY people. I've been doing this kind of stuff for 30 years. Fixing up these old houses. We do a lot of concrete work during the summer. So if you like this kind of stuff and you want some help with some tricks and tips, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And give me a thumbs up too if you like this stuff. It'll help me out. I'm just starting my channel. Been doing it for about 6 months now. But we got a lot of good stuff on there. Check it out. If it's up your alley, like I said, give me a like and a subscribe. Thanks again.